Namaste learners. This is Professor S. Lal from the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Learners, we are discussing some aspects of three-dimensional coordinate geometry, or you can say solid geometry. And in this series, we are today here to discuss about a sphere. In the previous lecture, you have already learned that how to define a sphere and what is the practical significance of a sphere when you study, when you are learning, or in your hypothetical analysis of any figure in three-dimensional case. Here today we are going to discuss that what is the equation of a sphere. So for that, please let us write. Find the equation of a sphere. Find the equation of a sphere whose center is alpha, beta, gamma. Whose center is alpha, beta, gamma, and radius is a small r. You have to find the equation of a sphere. You have to find the equation of a sphere whose center is alpha, beta, gamma, and whose radius is a small r. So your center of a sphere is alpha, comma, beta, comma, gamma, and radius is r. Then what is the equation of a sphere? For the sake of the convenience of your proof, let us write, let C be the center of the sphere and the coordinate of C be alpha, beta. Means if you are discussing about a sphere, suppose this is C and its coordinate is alpha, beta, and gamma, and the distance from this center to this periphery is a small r. C is the center and r is the radius. Then let us take a point. Here you take a point. P and its coordinate is x, y, and z. This is the coordinate of the point x, y, z. Then here clearly it is Cp is equal to r. And distance between 2 points Cp is what? Cp is what? It is under root x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square plus it is this y minus beta and there z minus gamma, z minus gamma square is equal to r. This is the r and this is the value of Cp. Now squaring on both of the sides, you can write that this square root will be abolished and this will be x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square is equal to, this is r square. This is the equation of, this is the required equation of the sphere and it is very easy for you to understand. And actually the concept of two-dimensional coordinate geometry in which we find the distance between 2 points has been used here. The same concept is here for the distance between 2 points when you are discussing about three-dimensional coordinates geometry. Thank you very much for enjoying and listening this lecture. Thanks a lot.